Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing. It has actually been sitting in my house for over a week now. I actually need to send this in ASAP and check out, but life has been crazy and I haven't got around to it, and so I'm so excited to be opening it, see what's inside, and share that with you. If you want to see what I got and see a try on video, stay tuned. Alright, so here's where the magic happens. I'm so excited to see what's in my box this month. Yeah, I can't remember what, I definitely gave her, my stylist, some very specific things that I wanted. Like, I found things that people had gotten in their box and just like totally said, like, I want this. If you have this, I want this. So it'll be interesting to see if she was able to get any of the products that I specifically asked for. I know it's not always the case because they may have, you know, not have that item anymore. So hopefully if you couldn't find them, that you can find something similar. So as always, we have the return mailing envelope, the note. Looks like I got a pair of shoes, which is interesting because I asked for a pair of shoes. And then the clothing burrito. So let's see what we have. Just scared my dog by throwing that. Okay, so let's first off see the note. So it sounds like she definitely listened to my note, tried to find what I had asked for. So that's always really promising. I just always feel like even if it's not the best box I've ever had, that my stylist took the time to really listen to what I had to say, looked at my Pinterest board, etc. That makes a huge difference for me. Actually, let's start with the flats. So I really wanted these leopard print flats from Steve Madden, and I'm still on the hunt for them. I really want them. They have them at Nordstrom. They were sold out. But here is the Lucky brand. They're the taupe with these silver sparkles, and I hate them with all of my heart. I know that's brutal. One, this metallic dot is just not a vibe that I'm looking for. The toes, okay. I definitely said I don't like rounded flat toes, so she definitely listened to me with the soft point, but I seriously do not like them at all. A little harsh for me, I know, but this is, even if they were cute on, I just can't get on board with the color and these dots. I just don't like them. So not, you know, if you love them, whatever floats your boat, we're into it. And these retail for $69, and they're the Lucky brand Archh Suede flat in the color taupe. I will leave all the information down below as well as the prices and what I decide to keep in the description box. So if you're interested in any of that, that's where you can go. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so first up, I'm seeing this Daniel Rain crochet top. It is called the Ranella crochet front keyhole knit top, and it's $54 in the color navy. That's what it looks like. It has a crochet detail. It's very it's like a jersey knit, and it has definitely that crochet detail in the front. I like the little see-through and the keyhole. This is actually cuter than I thought it was going to be. I actually kind of like this. I'm not sure if it's something that I would wear on a daily basis. It looks like something more I would wear to work, but we'll see how it looks on. You never know. Okay, so here's the burgundy sweater that she was talking about, and it's the Raymon. I want to say Raymond, but it's not Raymond because there's no D at the end. Raymon cross back knit top. So this is, oh, I kind of think I might like this. So it's a V-neck sweater. It's a light sweater. And then the back is, it has not only this bar across, but it actually crisscrosses in the back. Oh my gosh, I might love this. And it's $48. By the description that she had given me, I was kind of like, I don't know if I'm gonna love it. And quite frankly, I live in Southern California, and I'm pretty sure we had 3 days of winter. So really not looking into any more sweaters. But this is so lightweight that it will take me into spring also, because at night it still gets kind of chilly. So I can definitely see me wearing this at night when it's a little bit cooler, because it's not super heavy. I might love that. Next up, I have this leopard print cardigan. I'm not sure about this. This is definitely not my cup of tea. It's longer and it looks like it's a full length. It's soft. I mean, if I'm gonna do a leopard print, I definitely want it in a more trendy piece. I want like a standard leopard print, not like the color, kind of like the flat. They're super stylish. Pointy toe loafer, which is in style right now. That's where I want to wear that as an accent piece. I don't really see myself wearing this, but again, I tried them on, who knows? We'll see. And last but not least, these are what I asked for. They're the Just Black ankle skinny petite. So I'm hoping these work. So, oh, they look so short, which I love. So they're this lighter denim, and they have this distressing on the knee, and then this like frayed hem, and it goes a little bit longer in the back and shorter in the front with this frayed hem. So I'm really excited to try these on. I don't have anything quite like this, so I'm hoping that I like them. I saw them, someone else pinned them or got them in their box, and I just thought they were super cute. So let's get to the try on, shall we? Okay, so this is the Daniel Rain. I don't love it. I don't think it's very flattering to my body. I like things that are a little bit more flowy if they're shirts like this, and I just feel like it accents not my best physical features, and I feel like it makes me look chesty. I don't love it. The material's really clingy, and I like shirts like this that are a little bit more flowy, like fitted, and then just flow out a little bit more of like a chiffon-y material kind. Not really chiffon, but I hope you get the gist. So this is definitely a no. It's a cute top, it's just not for me. Okay, so here is the leopard print cardigan. This is definitely no. One, it's a little bit big, it's really long in the sleeves. Really weird because like this one feels so much longer. Like this sleeve is so much longer than this one. It's really interesting actually. Like, I don't know. But anyway, it's just not my style. It just feels a little bit boxy. It's really long. Like it goes to a little bit above my knee. Don't mind everything behind here. But yeah, if you like leopard print, this could be your thing. It's not for me. Okay. I wanted to love the sweater. Like, I think it's a really good weight. I love the color. The length is good. It's not overly bulky, but you guys, I don't know. Like, this part is like bulging out right here. Can you see that? And then like the back, it's just like, this is laying funny. Like, look at this part. Like this part right here is like that, but not like that on this side. I don't know what's wrong with it. I can't figure it out. Like the way it lays right here is not the way it lays on the other side. Like this side like hangs down so low right here, where this side, it's like under, this is, I don't know, you guys. If this side was like this side, I'd buy it because it's so cute, and I love like how it's different in the back, but I don't know what's going on here, and I can't get it to lay right as much as I try. So as much as I wanted to keep it, I can't keep it. It's so funky right there, and I'd be worried about the way that it looks. It's so strange. So it's a hard no. It's a good concept, but I don't know, the way that it's made in the back is just, it's not right. So bummer, because I love it. I'd keep it if it laid right. Oh, it's so frustrating. And that's so frustrating to me. All right, on to the jeans. So these are the jeans. I love them. They're really cute. I think they're a fun play on the frayed hem and the distressing. Like, so cute. I'm in love with them. They're definitely a keeper. They're a low waist, they're a petite, and I like that. Oh, sorry. Okay. They're a low waist petite. Super cute, really, really comfortable. The length is fun. Will look great with booties or heels, flats. I'm loving them. These shoes, again, not my favorite. I don't love them. But yeah, I can see people who might. Just totally not my cup of tea. If I'm gonna wear flats, I want them to be a little bit more statement. I'm definitely not a flats kind of girl, so yeah. The jeans are definitely a win. So overall, it was an okay box. I mean, one thing is better than none if you ask me. I think she really did try to listen to what I was saying and what I asked for, and I'm glad that she found one piece that worked for me. And so I think she did a great job. I mean, you can't win them all, right? So I'm excited to have a new pair of jeans. I've been wanting some, so yeah. Thank you for watching my video. If you have not yet, please subscribe. I would really, really love it. And I look forward to seeing my next video. Bye.